Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure we have all the ingredients. Got a good piece of ginger, the sugar, about 2 cups of water, and a jar that'll fit everything in. First thing we want to do is break off a piece of this ginger. We're only going to need about a thumb-sized piece, so I'm just going to cut off a little piece here. And there you go. We want to keep the skin on, and if it's organic, it's even better. Going to take this something to grate it, so I have this handheld grater, which is perfect. Just take off the protective plastic here, and simply just grate it. And I'm using a coarse grate here rather than the fine, just so that it doesn't get stuck, and we don't need it super finely grated. And you want to be careful here not to hit your fingers on the sharp edges when you're grating it. So now that I'm just about done grating it here, let's get that last little bit and just scrape everything off the grater. Okay, I'll set that aside. Now what I'll do is grab my jar, let's open it up, and I want to put all this ginger that I just grated right into the jar. So I'm just going to collect it here. You can use a bench scraper or something if you want, but I just use my hands, it's just much quicker. Just get every little bit. Great, and now we want to add the water. So again, it's about 2 cups of water, and just pour it straight in. Now that the water has been added to the ginger, what we want to do is take sugar, and we're going to be putting in about 2 tablespoons of sugar. You don't have to be 100%, just kind of level it off, eyeball it. So there's the first one, and the second one, nice and slow, straight into there. And once we have all the sugar, water, and ginger in, we just want to do a quick mix to incorporate all of the sugar into the water. And with that done, we're just going to close it up. And that's it. Ginger bug has been started. Set that aside, and the next day, just add some more.